Hello, I'm Associate Professor Dr. Narisapon Chai-Prakij, or you can call me Ajahn Jha.
Hello, I'm Assistant Professor Dr. Siripatra Pachani, or you can call me Ajahn Pink.
From complex surgeries to planning for dental implant placement, 3D printers help us achieve outstanding results. These guides are custom designed for each individual's anatomy, enabling precise planning and giving patients confidence.
Sivalee Dental Center has brought innovation even closer to our patients through the power of 3D printing technology. As for technology in the field of dentistry, I must say that over the past 5 years, various core technologies have played a significant role in assisting dentists in caring for our patients. They have greatly increased accuracy, reduced potential errors during treatment, and also helped patients can see the results in advance before deciding to produce various dental appliances.
The advantage of having a digital lab or a 3D printer in our own clinic is that it allows us to work much more efficiently. In addition, we can further plan, design, or create various guides using our software, then print them out and even try performing surgery on a small-scale model first. This is a huge benefit as it enables surgeons to and also for the doctors working together, whether it's in implant dentistry or in surgeries performed jointly with orthodontists, it makes the work much more precise before we actually perform surgery on our patients.
When it comes to choosing 3D printing technology, I have to say that we're not just printing models, we're printing better outcomes for our patients.